Hi, I'm going to outline how to make a header or banner for YouTube using Corel Paintshop Pro, and I'm also using Corel Video Studio to do the screen grab. So first we need to open a new template, and what YouTube is looking for is the size of 2048 by 1152 pixels in a resolution of 72,000. Right, so okay, and this is our template. What you're looking at now is a transparent layer that you have in Paintshop Pro in order to build up your image. So just to make it easy, I will drop a white image so you can see what's happening on top. Right, what we're looking for now is to conform to the outlines for YouTube. The whole screen can be visible and will appear on the television app for YouTube. The center third is what is seen as your banner on a computer, and the very center red box is what is seen on a mobile phone. Therefore, the very center is the focal point that will be seen across 3 banners. So as you design your image, you've got to keep that in mind. So I'm going to take out the template now, and using the magic of this program, I'm going to drop in some colour. I'm going to drop in a little bit of feature. I'm going to drop in honey cards, and then I'm going to drop in a little bit more feature. Then I'm going to show you how that fits with the template. So all my features, main features, will be within the red box. And for an added little bonus, I'm going to have a fairy at the bottom. Now that fairy will only be visible on a television screen for the whole template. Now everything on this particular program is saved in Paintshop Pro and cannot be uploaded to YouTube for restrictions of its format. So from this program, going to the top here, I will save a copy merged, and when I've done that, I will then change the format to PNG, JPEG or GIF, and from there I can upload it to YouTube. Thank you for listening, thank you for watching, and thank you for looking at the magic. Bye.